In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Word and PDF documents into Microsoft Forms, new feature 2026. This update lets you convert existing documents directly into an online form or quiz in just a few clicks. Here's exactly how to do it with a few tips to get the best results. First, go to Microsoft Forms in your web browser and sign in with your account. You'll land on the Forms homepage where you normally create new forms from scratch. Keep this page open, everything happens from here. Next, locate the Quick Import option on the homepage. Depending on your view, it may appear as a prominent button or card near the top of the page alongside the usual new form and new quiz options. Quick Import is the entry point for pulling questions out of your existing documents without retyping. Choose Upload from this device. In the file picker, select the Word document with a .docs extension or a PDF you want to convert. For the smoothest import, use documents with clear headings and question numbers, and keep any answer options on the same line as the question. If you're using a PDF, make sure it contains real text rather than a photo scan. Scanned PDFs may need OCR first to be recognized accurately. Avoid watermarks or complex multi-column layouts if possible. When prompted, choose whether you want the document converted into a form or a quiz. Pick form for surveys, registrations, or feedback where there are no right or wrong answers. Pick quiz if you plan to score responses, assign points, and mark correct answers. You can always switch question types during review, but this selection gives the importer the right starting structure. After the conversion completes, click Start Review. You'll see a draft populated with questions, choices, and any detected sections. Read through each item carefully. Adjust question titles for clarity, confirm multiple choice options, and change the question type if needed, for example, from text to choice or rating. If you selected quiz, add point values and set correct answers so auto-grading works later. Use the required toggle for must-answer items and rearrange or delete anything the importer misread. Rename the form title and description to match your audience, and check any images or tables that were brought over. Your edits are saved as you go so you won't lose work. That's it. You've imported your Word or PDF into Microsoft Forms using the new 2026 Quick Import feature and refined it through review, ready for your next step.